Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab H2C nozzle offset calibration failed, recalibrate and fix error. Fix 1. Clear debris and melted filament. Residue on the nozzles or the nozzle offset calibration sensor is one of the most common causes of calibration failure. Heat both nozzles to the normal printing temperature and then carefully remove any filaments stuck to the nozzle tips or sides using tweezers or a soft lint-free cloth. Now inspect the nozzle offset calibration sensor located at the rear right of the headbed and remove any plastic strings, blobs or debris from the sensor surface. Fix 2. Inspect and reinstall the hot ends. Remove both the left and right hot ends from the tool head and reinstall each hot end, ensuring it is fully seated in its slot. Now secure the locking buckles firmly. On the H2C, push the indicator hot end locking lever completely to the left until it locks into position. Fix 3. Check the sensor connection. Turn off the printer and remove the build plate. Now locate the 2-pin connector for the nozzle offset calibration sensor at the rear of the heat bed. Now disconnect the cable, inspect it for bent pins, dust, or damage, and reconnect it securely. If the cable or sensor appears damaged, it may need to be replaced. Fix 4. Improve the calibration environment. Close the printer's front door and top cover to reduce drafts. Now preheat the chamber to approximately 40 degrees Celsius and allow it to stabilize for 10 to 15 minutes before running the calibration again. Fix 5. Use high contrast filaments. Remove the failed calibration print from the build plate. Now load two filaments with strong color contrast, such as black and white, and run the high precision calibration again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.